GST. Sign up and login. You need to enter in the mandatory fields and sign up with GST. Company profile. You need to key in for the required contents, as that gets reflected in all the statutory documents. Organization's logo can be uploaded here, which would also be reflected in the reports. After entering the necessary details, click on the Update button. Choose Yes to proceed on GST registrations, or No to update the profile. GST registrations. You can add multiple GST registrations of the company on this screen. You need to key in the addresses of that particular GST in, as that gets reflected in all the statutory documents. After updating all the registrations, click on the Yes button to proceed with GST settings, or click on the No button to continue adding your registrations. GST settings. Enter in the necessary information for your registered GST in here. It is mandatory for you to fill in their aggregate turnover for each registered business unit. You also need to key in the aggregate turnover for the months April to June, as the GST has been implemented from July. If your organization has been registered with Special Economic Zone, then you have to check in the CES/developer checkbox. If you are eligible for composition levy, then you have to check in the composition levy checkbox. Based on the nature of their business, you will have your tax calculations. After entering in all the necessary details, click on the Update button. You can choose Yes to proceed on invoicing, or No to update GST settings for other registrations. To capture invoices and return filing, click on Work on this button. The screen displays various invoices and statutory documents. You need to create the vendor, customer, and the products for invoicing. Vendor. The screen displays the list of vendors that has been already created. For a new vendor creation, click the button New Vendor, which has been placed at the top right corner. You can type in your vendor information that would get reflected in the invoices drawn. Then, click on the Create button to create a new vendor. Customer. The screen displays the list of customers that has been already created. For a new customer creation, click the button New Customer, which has been placed at the top right corner. You can type in your customer information that would get reflected in the invoices raised. Then, click on the Create button to create a new customer. Products. The screen displays the list of products along with their HSN/SAC code that has been already created. You can create a new product by clicking on the New Product, which has been placed at the top right corner. The user need to type in product details with the exact HSN/SAC code, as the GST rate % is based on the selected product. Then, click on the Create button to create a new product. Product import. You can import the product details in the prescribed format given. Product export. You can also export the product details from our software. Invoices. The screen displays various statutory documents. You need to click on the plus button to create a new invoice. You need to enter in the details of the customer and the products sold, with their quantities, discount percentage and per unit price of the product for a sale invoice. On clicking the Save Invoice button, you can record the created invoice. You can get the printed copy of invoices by clicking on the print icon on the right top corner of the screen.